Good morning students and my dear friends, I am here with the topic how you can change the goal amount or cell formula based value using the goal seek feature in Microsoft Excel. There is given the data tab. Under the data tab you will get the what if analysis type of calculation that contains three options: scenario, goal seek and data table. Let's start how you can adjust the formula based value through the goal seek. Okay, here I am using the PMT function for the calculation of term value, a term amount. You are looking here rate. I have given the cell address of rate here, and number of periods 60, and PB present value I have given here 2 lakh. I have closed the bracket and I have entered here. I have here entered the 5% of the interest rate, but it is not correct because here is given the interest rate annually, that I have to convert into the months. By dividing by the 12. Now you are looking here, I want to adjust this value. Suppose I want to adjust this value 4,000. We have to enter here 4,000 minus 4,000. Set cell is the formula cell, and in which we have to adjust the 4,000 value on the place of 3,774.25, and I have to select by changing cell address percent. Okay, then I have to click on OK. You are looking here, it has been changed and percent has been increased 7.42. okay, now let's start how you can calculate the simple interest. We have to use the formula PRT upon 100. P is given 5,000 and 5% interest rate annual and 4 year. I have selected here. You are looking here 1,000. Suppose I want to change this amount monthly, then we have to what I have to do, number of times जो दिया है 4, उसको हमें 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा for the months, that it will convert into the 4. 12 ja 48. okay, and we have to divide the interest rate by 12 so that it convert into the monthly payment. Okay, in this way we can convert. Okay, otherwise you are looking here, it will change. Okay, come to the changing of the using the goal seek. We are here changing the goal seek value. Okay, let's start. I want to adjust this amount 1,200 on the place of 1,000. Then I have written here 1,200, and I want to adjust this value by selecting the cell address of the interest rate. You are looking here 6% has been done, and then it has been calculated the 1,200. In the same way, if I want to calculate the compound interest, then we have to write the P into 1 plus R upon 100 power n and whole minus P. Now let's start. This is the principal value, and we have to start the bracket, and 1 plus R is here. We are looking here. Okay, no problem. we have to use here and the plus sign, and then R. You are looking here R upon 100 because here is 6 and percent sign is here, so that I have not divided by the 12 here, 100 here. I have just give the cell address of this, and after this we have to select, we have to close the bracket, and again we have to apply the power sign, that is exponential sign. It has been given on the top of the 6 number top row numeric pad जो आपके डेस्क कीपैड पे होता है उसमें 6 के ऊपर दिया होता है, and then you have to select the time in year, and then you have to close the bracket, whole minus, you have to select the whole minus, and then you have to minus the p. This will calculate the compound interest. I have to adjust now the compound interest using the goal seek. I want to compound interest 1500 on the place of the present amount, and I will select here the cell address of interest rate, and I want to check what will be the percent is 7%. You are looking here, when the 7%, then it will complete the 1500. okay, in this way we can use the goal seek for the changing different formulas, just like you are looking here PMT, simple interest, compound interest. I have adjusted here. Okay, thank you to all of you, have a nice day. Okay, thank you for watching my video.